So we got AEG dishwasher that is not heating. So it's an AEG dishwasher. So it's not heating the water. So I checked the heating element. The heating element is fine. So we decided to check the control board, and if you see over here that you can tell is some soldering has disappeared, as you can see. So what I've done is I clean the connections here. Just to make sure to take any dust away. And then we're going to soldering. Just going to soldering. So as I said, we're going to soldering, like welding them two bits here. Okay, let's have a go. See if this is the right stuff. There you go. Let's begin this. Make sure it's all covered. Okay. Next one. What I want is all covered right to the bottom of it. Make sure there is no gaps underneath. There you go. Looks like it's done. And then we'll see. We're gonna test it in a minute. So here we go back. Let's test it. The control board is not on. All in there. So we're gonna just test the appliance and see if it's getting hot. So we're gonna plug it on. Try to put it 65. It's actually working out, so we just have to see if he heats, and if he does, just clicked in. You can see in the electrics. Because this machine was not heating, it was running forever. It wasn't completing the cycle. So hopefully is all ready to go. I'll let you know in a minute, guys, if it still heats and if it works as it should. As you can see, guys, the dishwasher is now heating. I can feel it when I put the hand on top and start getting boiling. And you can also hear in the heating element and the motor. You can really feel it, it's getting hot. And if I open the door, it stops. And you can see the smoke. You probably can't see the smoke, but I really feel it. It's getting really hot. You can't see this. I mean the smoke, but I can feel it. The water is really, really hot. So let it finish. And if I want to reset it, this type of dishwasher, I just have to press and hold the program which is on. Then will reset it, and I can choose another program, different one. There you go, start heating again. Another one ready to go. And on this dishwasher, if it's not heating, first of all, you're gonna go for the heating element, which is this part there. So you can point it. Look, that one there. I can't get my finger close because I can feel the shock. That one there. That's the heating element. Second of all, if it's not heating, you go for the flow, which is this part there with this connected. The feed cold water. Could be that in a valve. And third for last, you go to the control board. So on this one, the case was on the control board, as I show it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next video. I hope this will help you a lot. Thank you. Bye.